Hi, now we discuss about TurboStart S16V dry cell racing battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Brand, TurboStart. Voltage, 16 volts. Battery cell composition, lead acid AGM. Item weight, 46.2 pounds. Key features. The product has the perfect dimensions of 11.7 x 7.9 x 9.8 inches. The product has US origin. The battery does not require any maintenance. Provides extra voltage to the racing ignition system. If your racing ignition system demands higher voltage and the standard battery fails to provide it, then the TurboStart S16V AGM racing battery will fulfill the demand. The performance of the functional vehicle parts with a 12-volt battery can be enhanced with the help of this 16-volt counterpart. The comparative two additional cells offer a higher charge of 16.8 volt. The battery's reserve capacity is set at 85 minutes at the discharge of 25 amps. It offers 550 cold crank amps at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and the amps discharge increases to 650 at the temperature mark of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The battery size makes it fall in the BCI category of group size 24. Also, if we talk about the perfect measurements, they allow the user to mount the battery in almost every position other than upside down. Pros: maintenance-free design, the 85-minute outstanding reserve capacity, the spill-proof design, leak-proof technology. Cons: the battery does not stay charged up. Our recommendation: after a thorough analysis, we recommend that the racers who want long, frequent discharge cycles and charge cycles can go for this product. You can find the product buy link in the description below.